Hi, today in this video I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about building confidence, and I'm not here for any quick fixes. So, if you are looking for any 5 or 10 steps to follow through which you can build confidence, this video is not for you. Because building confidence is a process, and this process doesn't happen overnight. It requires time, quite some time, and it is a process of building that confidence, that self belief inside yourself, that even hundred of thousand of lakhs or crores of people standing in front of you and challenging you and telling you that you can't do this thing, but you have that belief in yourself. You know your potential, that what you can do and you cannot do, and what you will do, it's not their decision. So today I'm going to share some of my observations, which people, like some misconception which people are carrying inside their head without even knowing it, or what they actually need to do, and they aren't just aware of that is the right way of building confidence. So I have some observation, and one of those observation is that people's energy is very much outward focused instead of inward. Yes, many people are so much focused on how they are being perceived as. They are not focused on becoming a confident person, but they are very much focused on if they are perceived as a confident person or not. Yes. So when your energy is very much outward focus instead of what you feel about yourself, you will eventually fall into a category I called as pretentious confidence. Yes, there are a certain type of people which I have observed pretend to be confident, but they aren't confident. They are carrying some deep insecurities about themselves. They will put up a show in front of you that how they are very knowledgeable, they have experience, and they know about things, but deep down they have some insecurities in themselves which they ignore, and they very cleverly hide from other people, and they think nobody know about it. But a aware person, a conscious person, will going to see right through them and know that where they are coming from. And my purpose to explain these concepts to you is to make you known that building confidence is not something like you are doing some temporary work. It is a very foundational work which you need to do. That's because when you know your foundation inside yourself is strong, then whatever you're going to build in your life, whether be it your career, some relationship, or your personal life, or any artistic project or anything, that will be strong also, because it's coming from a strong foundation inside yourself. Then you'll be able to build something long lasting in your life, right? So when you are too much focused on other people, that what they think about yourself, you will always going to doubt yourself. If I'll explain you this by an example, there's a girl who loves to do makeup, and she have exceptional makeup skills, and she put a lot of efforts in how she looks or how she present herself. And that girl is going and sitting among a group of individuals who doesn't put that much efforts in their look or how they are coming across people. Those people eventually going to judge that girl, that how she is too much, and make her doubt herself, or her skills, whatever skills she's carrying, they gonna make her doubtful about it. But that same skills, that same efforts will be, valued at the right place among right people. So this is what happen when you are too much focused on how people are perceiving you, or like presenting yourself, putting effort in your looks and your personality is a good thing, but how that good thing is making you doubtful because there are four people sitting in front of you and telling you that how you are too much because they can't do that same effort on themselves. So this is how we unknowingly start carrying these subconscious setting inside our head and become doubtful about ourselves because our energy isn't inward focus, but it is very much outward focus on other people. So the second observation which I have is unawareness. Yes, many people these days are unaware. They don't know about themselves. They know about the world, but they don't know about themselves. And I think true confidence comes from knowing yourself, working on yourself, and coming at peace with who you are. If you're constantly focused on other small things, but you're not able to stand still or own your inner truth, you're never going to feel confident in your life. A confident person knows their truth, knows their strength and their weaknesses. And when I talk about weaknesses, I will divide that weaknesses part in two subcategories. First category will be the part of you know you can't change, or and at the same time you don't feel very good about it. So there will always going to be a part about yourself you can't change, as well as you don't feel very confident or very good about it. All you need to understand is you need to make peace with that part of your personality. Yes, once you make peace with it or you accept it, that will work in your favor. Believe me, that will also work in your favor because you are accepting it. And second subcategory will be areas where you need to work on yourself. So if there are certain weaknesses, you can work and you can improve with time, that eventually going to lead into confidence, into true confidence. And at last I would only like to remind you one thing, that nobody is perfect. All you need to find is that inner power you hold inside yourself, and the basis of your confidence or your belief will be that inner power you hold inside yourself, not the thing which you have achieved in your life. Maybe you have a luxury car, a luxury house, or you have branded clothes and accessories with yourself, and all those things will somehow will get you validation from the society, and you will feel a sense of confidence with that also. But that should not be the root of your confidence. Root of your confidence should always be that inner power which you hold inside yourself, that because of that power you achieve all these things and you build all these things, and these things are perishable. These things, you can lose these things or someone can steal this thing from you, but nobody can steal that power which you hold inside yourself. So all you need to do is find that power inside yourself and recognize it, and know that if you can achieve all this thing one time, you can achieve it 10 more times as well.